Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening another the Mini Brands crate. This one I actually bought on eBay because there's only like 3 I need, and instead of just buying random ones and getting a bunch of duplicates, I just went to eBay. So this one I think is the tart. I need the fruit tart, the rare pie, and one of the meat dishes. The stuffed pork loin. So I did find that one too pretty reasonably. So here is what that's gonna look like. It's the summer fruit tart, and I think some of these are sealed and some are opened. We have a little pie server. Oh, that's cute. The tart base and a plate. It's textured, I like that. And it looks like a fork too is in there. I haven't been adding those to the plates and dishes really. Then we have the fruit. Looks like we have strawberries, kiwi, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. So a really good variety there. Tiny plate. The tongs, and then this little thing snaps together so you can display it on there. See, that might be empty. Then we have our resin. Oh, we have the whipped topping. That's that stuff that it will dry harder over time, and the syrup, but it takes a lot longer than the instructions say it does, in my experience. So let's get prepped and start making it. Okay, so we have the instructions here. We're going to take out our tarts. I like that they're bigger than the Miniverse ones. I feel like that's going to be a lot easier to work with. They're a little textured too. Kind of feel like graham crackers. Now I do have some leftover whipped topping. It's the exact same as the one it came with, so I'm going to try to use this so I could leave that other one sealed. So we're going to add some of this first. And I guess it doesn't really matter if it looks pretty because we're throwing a bunch of fruit on it and you're not going to be able to really see it. So I'm just going to put a dollop in there. That one definitely needs more. And this is the stuff that will dry eventually. It just takes a very long time. I want to say it says like 10 or 20 minutes in the instructions, but no, it wasn't ready after that. That's probably pretty good. Maybe just like a touch more. They show it pretty full. I'm also going to grab a toothpick so that I can kind of move this around. Okay, I'm just going to kind of push it down. I want to make sure it's pretty even in there. This one, I'm not sure if it has too much in there. I think that's probably okay. All right, now they do show the fruit a certain way. Obviously, you can do it however you want to do it, but I generally try to copy or mimic what they have. So I won't try that. So we're going to start with this left one. I'm going to do a kiwi over here. And then they have a strawberry sticking up next to it. There's like a hair or something on my nail. There we go. So we can see that. And then they do 3 blackberries and then a little mint leaf, or whatever kind of leaf that's supposed to be. Like that. I think that's cute. And then we will end up putting a resin glaze over the top of it to seal it all. All right, for the next one we're doing 2 blueberries followed by 3 raspberries, And then another strawberry in the background and a kiwi also for that one. So we do have some fruit left over, which I like. A lot of the sets, it was like so precise there was no leftovers. But I think those look really cute. They're both unique. Yeah, so next step is to add some glaze. So let's get the little lid on there. I like that the instructions are so precise. It shows putting step 1 doing this one, step 2 doing the next one. Same thing with the curing instructions. Come on, oh, there we go. Ooh, it's like hot pink looking. I'm just gonna make sure that they're all kind of touching, but I'm not putting too much on it. I didn't think it was gonna be pink. I thought it was gonna be like a honey color, honestly. I wish it came out on a thinner consistency. But I guess I can take my toothpick and kind of make it run, drag it, you know, how you want it to drip, I think. That's a better idea, I guess. Looks like it's all touching, so it should cure together. And then I'm going to use the little chef light for 10 minutes or outside for 10 to 20. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, here's what they look like finished. I'm not 100% in love with the hot pink. I think it would have looked better if they used like a honey color, because it kind of, I don't know. I think it's distracting of the pretty colorful fruit. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Do you like these tarts or do you like the Miniverse ones better? Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.